like to be in that arena of dentists that have the latest and offer the latest for their patients and their practice.
We try to stay on the cutting edge of technology, and if the technology is good, we try to implement it in our practice if it's going to benefit the patient. And so we look for efficiency, and that's one of the reasons why we chose Cubix to help us be more organized with our ordering ability.
Cubix caught our eye first in Louis Visser's office, looking at a piece of equipment that organized part of a dental business that we don't typically think of.
Because we're such a busy office, 3 full-time hygienists, 2 full-time doctors, the worst thing you can do is run out of an item when you're in the room and the doctor asks for something and you don't have it. That was happening sometimes. As much as we tried to keep the supplies in stock, it was really hard to do.
With our office, a lot of times what it was is put it, write down what you need on a Post-it note, give it to Jody. Jody will take care of it. Well, who knows where the Post-it note might end up, or who wrote it down, and did they write down really what they need, or did they write down something somebody needed 2 days ago that I'd already ordered and didn't know?
The old way is more fly by the seat of your pants. When you need something, you order, and you get convinced that ordering in bulk saves you money, so you buy bulk. So now you have tons of stuff sitting around on shelves that expire, and or you run out of things that then are back ordered, and you're out of gloves for a week. So we're borrowing gloves from the next door dentist, whatnot.
It was babysitting everyone to make sure everyone was doing what they needed to do, and it was just very chaotic.
My support staff does all that ordering. It makes it easier for them because it's all automated. Basically, it's like when you reach a par level, a certain level in the cabinet, automatically that order is generated, it goes out. You don't even see it happening, it just happens. And so if whatever vendor you have, whether it's Patterson Shine or it could be AYZ Corporation, they'll get an email or some sort of contact that you need some new supplies. And that's fantastic.
With the cabinet, I can work on my database at the front desk while answering phones, while greeting patients. It frees you up to do a whole lot of stuff when you're not worrying about stocking the items.
It takes my staff back into the practice rather than into the supply room where they used to have to organize things, and it just makes it easier.
Basically, with the technology, it allows us to deliver dentistry quicker, such as with the CEREC machine. We can actually turn around a patient in 2 hours instead of 2 weeks for a crown, which is great. And if we have a Cubix that manages the inventory of all your little blocks, then you know that you're not going to be out of a block.
Learning to use the Cubix was very simple. You don't have to be very computer savvy to navigate around what you need to do in order to input your supplies into the computer nor into the Cubix. It's a little bit of organization, and that's really it.
Once we got all the product loaded in the cabinet, we generated our first order. It was, oh my gosh, it was incredible.
With any change in technology in an office, there's always some resistance to change. But it's like, once you get used to that and how it works, I mean, it's great because you can go to that cabinet and you can say, everything in our office is in this cabinet.
As we started organizing the cabinet, I think we've really organized how much we have, and probably we have about, I would guess, $30,000 worth of less supplies just in the office at any given time.
Now it's like you just have to punch in the code or punch in what you want, and it will search and it will blink where it's at. So even somebody that doesn't know where Assistant A or Assistant B put that material, you can go as the doctor on a Saturday, if you had to come in and see a patient, you can find what you need. It frees you up to practice dentistry on the patient. That's the ultimate thing, is we're trying to deliver excellent dentistry to our patients.
I just can't imagine an office without it now.